So about a month ago, you guys, I actually already made this video. I actually made the video different than I normally do on my review videos. I had some really cool screenshots and I did all kinds of stuff in the video and I lost it. I don't know if I deleted it off my camera or what happened. I went to upload it and it was gone. And then I tried to recover it using a recovering software that recovers SD cards, and it said it was corrupt. The files were no longer there. So I ended up having to reformat the card and go from there. So I did not figure out that I didn't have that video until I was almost out of this product. So I have just enough product left to show you guys how well this product works. It is my new favorite waterless wash at this time. I absolutely love it. I think they knocked it out of the park, Nick and Ivan, on this product, you guys. And it is the waterless wash that's ceramic infused by DIY Detail. Let's do it. All right, so really quick overview before we get into the video, you guys. Waterless washing is one of my favorite forms to clean a car that's not real dirty. You have to be smart when doing a waterless wash. You cannot do it on a car that has sand on it or salt on it or anything, mud, any type of debris on the paint. You need to do a traditional wash. Waterless wash is great for dust. This truck got rained on. That's it. So you guys are gonna see that. It's got a little bit of dust, a little bit of rain spots on it, and that's it. That's the dirtiest I'm gonna let my cars get to use a waterless wash. Anything dirtier than that, I'm going to go and I'm going to use something else. The reason I like waterless washes, it's simple, it's easy. You don't have to get the hose and bucket and pressure washer and soaps and all that stuff out. I got one bottle, a couple towels, I can do the whole car and it's good to go. And the cool thing about this is it does leave protection behind because it is ceramic infused. So when you're using a waterless wash, I use a lot of product. I'll show you guys. This is how much I got left. I've done this truck and the old Journey with this bottle. I use a lot. Do I use too much? Probably, I don't know. But I like to oversaturate the panel so there's less chance of micro-marring or scratching or swirling the paint when doing the waterless wash. You just gotta be smart when you do a waterless wash. Use plenty of product, don't be shy, and you'll be good to go. And I'm gonna show you guys that here on this truck. This truck's dark. You're gonna see that there's no streaking in it. It's gonna leave the painted surface nice and slick. This, like I said, this is my new favorite waterless wash in the market at the moment, you guys. It is so good, you guys. Let me show you what it does. So let me show you guys what the painted surface looks like. What we'll do half of this bed, right? So you guys can see there are watermarks dripping down there. There is, you can see where it's dusty. I've actually wiped it just so we can see, as you can see right there. It's not terrible, but this is as dirty as I want it to get. Now I just bought this truck, have not done a paint correction on it or anything yet, you guys. This is 2018. Definitely needs some work. But I just want you guys to see all these water spots that are on it. Like I said, this is about the dirtiest I'm gonna let it get. Otherwise, I'd either use rinseless wash, which from DIY Detail is amazing also, or do a traditional hose and bucket wash. So, all right, let's do it. Now, like I said, I like to use a lot of product. I do that on purpose. I'm not shy when it comes to waterless washing. It doesn't bother me at all to use too much product, you guys. I just saturate the whole panel that I'm going to clean. And then I'm gonna let it sit on there for just a few minutes and let it kind of encapsulate the dirt. Let me go ahead and get the bottom of here really quick. Let it encapsulate the dirt real quick, and then we will go in and we will clean it with a waffle weave. That's my favorite towel to use when it comes to waterless washing. Just give the chemical time to do what it needs to do. And then whenever you're ready, you're gonna kind of roll as you pull it, okay? Kind of roll as you pull. I can use the same side 3 times before I have to go to a clean side. One thing I like about this, other than the smell, it smells like grapes, is, so you got how dirty it is right there. Hopefully you guys can see that, yeah. How fast it flashes. So you can see it's wet. It's not bothering me that it might dry. It actually has dried in a few spots, but once you do this, it's gone. I mean, it listen to me. It flashes really fast and wow, right there. That's where the money is right there. It's so slick on the surface. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I can show you guys how clean this panel is now, other than the scratches, obviously. See if we work our way down, we'll get to right there where we have not been. It's dirty, it's got water spots all over it. Then you get down here, the paint looks amazing. And try to go from this side. Super simple, you guys. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and clean this glass. As you can see, it's just got water spots on it from rain. And then I noticed when I came over here all these fingerprints from my kids. So we'll go ahead and wipe those smudges off also while we're at it. And then I'm gonna be pretty much out of waterless wash. Go ahead and flip my towel over to a clean side. Same thing on the glass as on the paint. Now don't worry about scratching the glass as much. Let's go ahead and put it over here where these water spots, let's see. These fingerprints are. Let it sit for just a minute. Works really well on glass, and the reason why is because it does flash. Look, I can't even talk. Flash fast, and that's why it works so good on the glass, in my opinion. But all around, this product is really, really good. So, same thing on the glass. Same thing. I'm not putting a bunch of pressure down. All right. Third spot right there. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to go on to this side here while the glass is still wet. Try to remove these fingerprints. Gonna have a truck that's only cleaning a few spots. Okay, so as you see, it's still wet on the glass. Look how fast it goes away. I've said a lot in my videos in the past, so on a product like this, you want it to flash fast, and the reason why, less chance of streaking, less chance of, leaving wet streaks behind from the product. But if you have a cleaning product, you want it to stay saturated. Like if you're cleaning door panels, something like that, you want to stay saturated. But on a paint and on glass, you want a really quick flash. Is exactly what you want. And basically come in, wipe it down again. Kind of spray a little bit too much over here, but it's okay. The crazy part though is how smooth it is. I mean, it just glides across the paint and the glass. Cannot wait to do full correction on this thing. As you can see, look at glass now. Looks really good. And then where all those fingerprints were, it's just nothing but swirls from the previous owner. Excellent. Now, I mean, you guys saw the glass really helps show you how fast it does flash. That's one of the main reasons I love this product so much. All right, guys, so that's going to do it on this video for DIY Detail's Waterless Wash that's ceramic infused. It works so good, really, really well. Been really happy with it. The nice part about it is it's plenty slick enough when you wipe. It flashes fast, which I said probably 100 times in this video. It leaves protection behind, and the paint just feels so slick and smooth like silk when you have the towel over, which is great, because I don't think this truck has much protection on it, because I've seen it rain on it, so I don't think there is. I just haven't had time to get around to do like the full correction stuff on it. But the paint feels great on the glass. It cleans glass really, really well. And it's going to leave some protection behind the glass, which is always great. Anytime it rains, you get your glass to beat up. You have better vision going on the road. Otherwise, if you're like in a downpour and that water is just kind of sheeting off, it's harder to see out your windows. But if you have protection on it, that makes it even better. And Waterless Wash from DIY Detail is a great product, you guys. I'll put a link in the description of the video where you guys can find it. Use code FAB10 and you'll get 10% off your order, you guys, on their website. I believe that's still live from one of my first videos I did on their products. They give me a discount code, FAB10, get 10% off. That way you guys can go and you can try this product out. Pick up the rinseless wash while you're there. That's that's a no-brainer there. That's such a good product also, you guys. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.